IGBC Gold Certificate Low Density Project offering a retail plaza with top-notch amenities. हम बात कर रहे हैं महागुण मेडालियो की, which is located in Sector 107 Noida. Let's take a detailed look at its unit plans, location, amenities, price growth, and builder analysis in this exclusive video by 99 Acres. Mahagun Medaillo is an under-construction project spread across 9.88 acres. Slated for possession by September 2029. Buyers can look forward to 6 towers with 29 floors, consisting of 686 3 and 4 BHK homes. As for the project layout, the towers are arranged in a U shape, overlapping the green area with a host of amenities. Adding to the luxury quotient of the project, there is a grand entrance retail plaza, sculptured gardens, and water bodies placed throughout the project. The towers are well spaced out with only 2 apartments per floor, ensuring privacy for the residents. अब नजर डाल लेते हैं इन homes के sizes and prices पर. The 3 BHK homes offer a super build-up area ranging between 2,500 to 2,575 square feet. They offer 3 beds plus 4 bath, kitchen, living, dining, foyer, and servant room. For more spacious homes, buyers can opt for 4 BHK homes which offer a super build-up area ranging between 2,970 to 7,450 square feet. These come with 4 beds plus 5 baths, kitchen, living, and dining. Larger ones include additional space like baths, servant room, foyer, family lounge, study room, home theatre, and pantry. अब देखते हैं amenities में buyer को क्या-क्या मिलता है. Starting with its expansive 5-story clubhouse, which offers a wide range of amenities including spa, indoor swimming pool, mini theatre, gaming zone, and co-working space. For sports enthusiasts, there is a squash court, skating ring, lawn tennis court, cricket pitch, and basketball court. Additionally, the project features a rooftop sky garden with a large landscaped area, lounge, and barbecue pavilion. Other outdoor amenities include a celebration hall, swimming pool for all ages, kids play area, relaxation spaces, and fitness station. Security and convenience are ensured in this gated community with a 5-tier security system along with 24/7 water supply and power backup systems. अब आते हैं इस project की location and price growth पर. Buyers will be happy to know that Sector 107 Noida has witnessed some fantastic price appreciation in the past 1 year. This location is highly accessible via the Noida Expressway, Noida Sector 101 Metro Station, and Ghaziabad Railway Station, ensuring smooth connectivity across the city. In addition to this, major hospitals, educational institutions, and shopping malls are also just a stone throw away. The area will also benefit from upcoming developmental projects like elevated corridor between Agapur and Sector 82, an underpass between Sector 96 and Sector 126, a new metro line between Botanical Garden and Sector 142, and a 6-kilometer road from Kalindi Kunj to Maharani Bagh, which will bolster connectivity and commerce in the region. Sector 107 Noida also happens to be showing notable growth in comparison to other similar and neighboring localities. Residents have rated the locality with 3.8 out of 5 stars, appreciating the lifestyle and safety as well as the connectivity to schools and markets, while as the peak points includes traffic congestion during peak hours. अब बात करते हैं पेमेंट प्लान की. बिल्डर ने इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए 3 पेमेंट प्लान प्रोवाइड किए हैं. The first one is a construction linked payment plan where you need to pay 10% at the time of booking, 20 within 30 days of booking, further 65% spread across the construction timeline, and the rest 5% on offer of possession. The second plan is the flexi payment plan where the buyers need to pay 10% at the time of booking, another 15% within 30 days of booking, further 50% spread across the construction timeline, and further 15% on the application of OC, and rest of the 10% on offer of possession. Third one is a down payment plan where 10% is to be given at the time of booking, further 85% within 30 days of booking, and rest 5% on offer of possession. Builder की अगर हम बात करें तो Mahagun Group is a conglomerate of companies involved in residential and commercial real estate as well as hospitality. With over 25 years of experience, they primarily operate in Ghaziabad and Noida regions of NCR, where they have successfully completed various residential projects and developed commercial spaces including shopping malls, hotels, and Cineplex. They have already finished about 15.76 million square feet of development and are currently working on another 11.57 million square feet. Some of its projects that have seen healthy price appreciation since the time of their launch are Mahagun Montage, that has seen a growth of 91.8%, and Mahabub Mezaria that has also seen a 20.9% growth all in the past 1 year. To buy or know more about this project, click on the link below.